and what the snow.
In the morning drive.
Yes.
And I'm telling you, folks, plan early to get up and at least 15 or 20 minutes early. The snow's going to arrive prior to the drive, Jen, and it's going to make things slick, to say the least. So plan accordingly is the best thing we can do, because right now Threat Tracker is in the moderate category tomorrow. It's actually in the moderate category tonight into tomorrow afternoon. We do expect flurries the way it looks now on Thursday, but for the time being, we're keeping Threat Tracker on the low side. What impact is the snow going to have? Well, we're expecting across most of the area 1 to 3 inches. There will be a band of 3+, very close to the Omaha Metro. Begins at midnight, goes until noon tomorrow in terms of accumulation. Wind and cold, not that much of a factor. However, slick spots for the morning drive into the high category, that will be an issue for the morning commute. In fact, for the entire morning drive. Across the area 1 to 3, there are indications from some of the models there's going to be a band of 3+, possibly from just east of Columbus near Lincoln down toward Nebraska City. Models have wavered between Omaha and Lincoln on this band, so we're kind of splitting hairs in terms of maybe a county here. I'll update you on that tonight at 10 o'clock. Otherwise, we're under a winter weather advisory from 4 a.m. in the morning until 6 o'clock tomorrow night for that snow. Outdoors right now, temperatures are running in the mid-teens, 16 out at Epley. They have an east to southeast wind currently at 8 miles an hour. What's it like in your neighborhood? Most readings are in the mid-teens, a little bit colder in Gretna. We're going to see temperatures drop and then rise as the snow moves in overnight. Here in the eastern parts of Douglas and Sarpy counties, Swanson Park, you folks have 14. In Papillion, it is currently 13 degrees. If we expand this a little bit, it has been much colder for you folks in northwest Iowa. Readings there have been in the single numbers. Right now it's 5 in Carroll, 7 in Denison, 10 for you folks in Red Oak, Clarinda, and Shenandoah. Out to the west, mid-teens are the rule. Satellite and radar just beginning to hint at the changes coming. Some light snow beginning to develop west of Valentine underneath our banner here. That will begin in terms of coverage to increase after midnight tonight, and then by 3 a.m. it should be pushing into the city from the west and northwest. In fact, let's take a look. Temperatures again will bottom out this evening, but as the clouds thicken and snow moves in overnight, these readings actually begin rising. You can see by 3 in the morning, 17 degrees, snow beginning to roll in from the west. By 6 a.m., it's snowing out. Could even be kind of heavy for a time tomorrow morning. It continues throughout the morning, and then by noon, the back edge is finally pushing off toward the south and east. Forecast for tonight, snow developing between midnight and 3 a.m. Look for a low of 15. Snow tomorrow, we're looking at probably 3 inches here in the Omaha Metro with a high of 22. There's going to be a band very close to us of probably around 4. Now, the extended forecast shows temperatures moderating. This is the better part of the forecast, at least into Wednesday, up to 30 degrees. And then as we go toward the weekend, look at those highs, mid-30s. So actually fairly mild. There could be a little bit of light snow moving in by Sunday night, but all in all, we're finally getting out of the deep freeze. Don't forget,